Tianlong Pro Plus belongs to Wotech's high-end product series. Our heat exchanger utilizes a plate heat exchanger design, suitable for both northern and southern climates. In southern regions, it provides excellent cooling efficiency. The IPLV integrated part load value for cooling reaches 4.2, exceeding national standards for first-level energy efficiency 3.8 by more than 10 to 20%. You can see that our unit is quite large in size. For those who have disassembled or opened similar machines from our competitors, you will notice that their plate heat exchangers' size are typically only about 50% to 60% of ours. Our unit stands at over 500 millimeters in height, and the thickness is also substantial. The surface area of our heat exchanger is ample, resulting in excellent cooling and heating performance. However, for friends in northern regions, it's essential to use antifreeze in the water system. The biggest advantage of plate heat exchangers is their high efficiency and excellent heat transfer performance. But the main drawback is their susceptibility to freezing. In southern regions, we can use antifreeze, pure water, and other coolants. However, in northern regions, please remember to use antifreeze to prevent freezing damage to the plates. We can measure the dimensions of our plate heat exchanger. From the bottom, we pass through the middle. You'll see that our plate, along with the insulation, measures 550 millimeters, which is more than half a meter in height. Our sound-absorbing cotton is 25 millimeters thick, so the net height of this plate is approximately 525 millimeters. The thickness is also significant. We could measuring like 100 millimeters. Let's measure the width. As you can see, the width is nearly 140 millimeters. And the thickness is 100 millimeters.